Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the charming and vibrant town of Oakville, Ontario. Nestled along the beautiful shores of Lake Ontario, Oakville is a picturesque community that beautifully blends small-town charm with urban sophistication. Downtown Oakville is known for its stunning waterfront, which offers breathtaking views and a serene atmosphere. The waterfront is lined with parks and walking trails, making it the perfect spot for a relaxing walk or a peaceful afternoon by the lake. Whether you're a nature lover or just looking to unwind, the waterfront is a must-visit. Oakville's rich history is reflected in its beautiful architecture. The streets are lined with well-preserved historic buildings that tell the story of Oakville's past. The streets are filled with a delightful mix of boutique shops, art galleries, and unique stores that offer everything from handmade crafts to high-end fashion. The cultural scene in downtown Oakville is vibrant and diverse. The town hosts a variety of events and festivals throughout the year, including art shows, music festivals, and farmers markets. These events bring the community together and offer visitors a chance to experience the local culture firsthand. The Oakville Center for the Performing Arts is a hub for cultural activities, featuring performances ranging from theater to live music. In addition to the waterfront, there are numerous parks and green spaces where you can enjoy a picnic, play sports, or simply relax. The town also has an extensive network of trails, making it a great place for walking, running, or cycling. Whether you're interested in history, culture, shopping, dining, or just enjoying the great outdoors, Oakville has it all. Thank you for joining us on this journey over Oakville, Ontario. Thanks for watching!